Imagine, it's Monday morning. You wake up, pick up your phone, open LinkedIn, and suddenly thousands of people are posting, "Lost my job because AI replaced my work." You open Instagram. AI is creating reels. You open YouTube, AI is making videos. You open coding websites, AI is writing code. And then one question hits you: will AI take away all human jobs? Will doctors disappear? Will software engineers disappear? Will actors disappear? Will humans even be needed? Today we are going to talk about the reality behind all this hype. And trust me, the answer is not as scary as people think. So let's start. First, let's understand why people are suddenly becoming so scared. AI has improved at unbelievable speed. Today AI can write emails, generate presentations, create images, edit videos, answer questions, translate languages, and even generate software code. Earlier, if someone wanted a logo, they hired a designer. Today they type one prompt. Earlier people hired writers. Today AI helps generate drafts. Earlier coding used to take hours. Now AI helps developers finish tasks faster. So people naturally start thinking, if AI can do all this, why would companies hire humans? And honestly, that fear is understandable. But there's something important people forget. This is not the first time technology scared humans. Hundreds of years ago, machines came. People thought factories would destroy jobs. Then computers came. People said office jobs are finished. Then internet came. People said businesses would collapse. But what actually happened? Old jobs change. New jobs appeared. Before computers, there were no app developers, no UI designers, no cloud engineers, no content creators, no social media managers. Technology didn't remove work. It changed work. And AI is doing the same thing. Now let's talk realistically. Will some jobs change? Yes. Will some jobs disappear? Also yes. Especially jobs that are repetitive, predictable, and rule-based. For example, basic data entry, simple customer support, very repetitive content writing, manual reporting, basic editing, and repetitive coding tasks. If a job follows the same steps every day, AI becomes very good at it. Because AI doesn't get tired. It works fast. And companies care about efficiency. But this doesn't mean humans disappear. It means humans move toward higher value work. Now here comes the interesting part. There are some things AI still struggles with. Things like real emotions, leadership, human trust, creativity, performance, decision-making in uncertain situations. For example, acting. I can generate a face. I can generate dialogue. But can AI truly perform emotions the way humans do? Can AI understand a director's vision exactly? Can AI create that human connection? Not completely. Same with leadership. People follow people, not software. Same with sales. People buy from people they trust. Same with teaching. Same with storytelling. Same with strategy. Human connection still matters. And now I want to tell you something important. The biggest myth is AI versus humans. That's wrong. The real future is humans using AI. Think about it. A programmer with AI can build faster. A designer with AI can create more. A filmmaker with AI can edit quicker. A student with AI can learn faster. The competition is not human versus machine. The competition is people who adapt versus people who don't. So if you're watching this and feeling scared, don't. Instead, do these things. Number 1. Learn AI tools. Don't avoid them. Understand them. Number 2. Build communication skills. AI can generate words, but communication is more than words. Number 3. Become creative. Number 4. Learn problem solving. Number 5. Build your personal brand. Because people remember people, not just skills. And remember, the people who survive change are not always the smartest. They are usually the fastest learners. So, will AI take away all jobs? No, some jobs will disappear. Many jobs will evolve. And completely new jobs will appear. The question isn't, will AI replace us? The question is, will we learn to work with AI? Tell me in the comments, which job do you think AI can never replace? And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Code Veer. See you in the next one. Bye.